really have any backup plans for Christmas presents, so I kind of need this to work. Sad. Okay, we've got to go get new soil. We've got to try our last ditch effort to save him. But the one I did for my grandma actually turned out really well. Like this, why? Why am I like this with my plant? I don't know. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 22? No, 23. Happy Vlogmas day number 23. We are so close to being done with Vlogmas, which I am sad about, but at the same time, I'm actually starting to feel like I need a break. You know, I'm just like, I definitely am starting to feel the stress of doing this every single day, which I knew I would eventually. I'm surprised I lasted this long because honestly, I feel like December just in general is hard for people. There's a lot going on. It's really busy. And then to top it all off, you have like, if you have the winter blues or you have anxiety or whatever, it can just be a lot. But I've actually done really well this year and I've had fun doing this, but I'm definitely, I think the closer I get to going on vacation, the more I'm just like, okay, I'm just done. I just want to be done. And I still have like the biggest to-do list before I leave. There's a lot. There's a lot going on before I can leave for Christmas break. But I'm so excited for the break. I just feel like it is so needed. And I'm ready to just relax. And I'm not bringing my camera. I'm not bringing my computer. Like, whatever I don't get done, it just doesn't get done because I just feel like I just need a break. I'm deleting Facebook off of my phone. I'm pretty much just not going to be on social media like the entire time I'm gone, which for me is like the best break that I can have because social media, you guys know, it can be a really great thing, but it can also just be so draining and just not good for mental health. So I'm so excited to be taking just a complete break from everything. The main focus of this vlog is actually going to be when I work on my family Christmas stuff. So I'll share that with you guys. I'm really excited to share with you guys playing around with vinyl because it's a new thing that I've just recently gotten into. So anyway, all right. I'm gonna go. Okay, guys, I was filming and talking away to you and it was not recording. So that was an epic fail. But I showed you guys, well, I tried to show you guys this cup. I got this for my sister and I'm going to put a stitch vinyl on it and I'm going to show you guys real quick. It's this one where it says, I may not be perfect, but I'm always me. And she loves stitch. So I thought that that would be perfect. And I'm going to do that in white vinyl. And yeah, so this is her gift, which I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm just hoping, because I've never really I haven't done a lot of vinyl projects. I literally just started playing around with vinyl. So I'm really hoping that it goes well. I don't really have any backup plans for Christmas presents, so I kind of need this to work. I'm sure it will. Like, I have put vinyl on one of my things in the kitchen, so it's not like I've never done this, but I just don't have a lot of experience. Okay, So this one, I'm pretty sure this is my mom's. I can get it out. There we go. Totally did not realize this, but it actually matches my sister's. That's really funny. Didn't even realize that I did that. So I got this one for my mom because she loves water bottles and she needs water. And I'm going to put, where is it? This decal on there. It's Cinderella's Castle with Tinkerbell at the top because she really loves Tinkerbell. Again, I'm doing it in white vinyl. Again, I'm praying that this works because I'm a little nervous. I think I wouldn't be so nervous except for I'm like, I spent money on all these things, so then if I screw up the vinyl, like it screws it up. So at least some of these I can screw up on. So this is just your basic white mug. And this one I got from my grandma. My grandma loves coffee, drinks coffee, coffee. She drinks coffee every single morning. So I got this mug for her. And I'm going to put this decal on there that says, I'm not a regular grandma, I'm a Disney grandma. I'm pretty sure she has a matching shirt. So on one side I'm going to do, I'm not a regular grandma. And then on the other one I'm going to put the vinyl that says, I'm a Disney grandma. I think she's going to love it and I'm really, really excited about it. So yeah, but I have an extra mug that I'm actually going to do something with. I don't want to share because in case James hears me editing or watches this vlog, I don't want to give away what I'm doing for him. It's kind of like a funny joke. So it's not like a serious Christmas present. His serious Christmas present is supposed to be delivered sometime today. So anyway. Okay, and for my dad, I got this mug. He kind of likes stuff like this, so my mom said that this was a good choice. And I can show you guys the decal that I'm putting on here. Hang on one second. So this is the one that I'm putting on there. It says often imitated, never duplicated, and it has the genie from Aladdin because that's his favorite character. So I figured that would be a good option. So that's what I got my dad. And then the last thing is for my sister's husband, and he's really into like D&D or something, or at least that's what my sister told me that I should do for him because I was like, help, I don't know what to do. So apparently he really likes navy. This actually is almost coming off black on camera, but I promise it's navy. And I'm doing this dungeon. I don't know anything about D&D. I think James made me play it one time with him, but I was not feeling it. But anyway, I'm going to do, this is how I roll, and it has the dice from D&D. And then on the other side, I'm going to do this one that says, beware of the smiling DM. I don't know. I don't know anything about this, but that's just what my sister said he would like. So that is what we're going with. So I'm going to go ahead and buy all of these files so I can start doing the vinyl, and I'll show that to you guys. Okay guys, so the first thing that I have done is I have put the SVG file in Silhouette. I've put it to the top, and I've also measured out the mug and how big I want this. So I have this here, and then I also used this and this to cut the vinyl. It works. I wasn't sure, but it works. And I have measured it out. Now I'm going to put it at the top of the cutting mat, and then I'm going to send it to cut just like I would stickers, just with different settings. So yeah, let me show you guys. Now I'm thinking though, should I just put it on one side of the mug, or should I try to make it like I'm not a regular grandma, I'm a Disney grandma? I almost feel like I should keep it as one. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do it on one side. So stressful. So anyway, there's my first vinyl creation. And then what I would do, I'm not going to show you guys right now because I'm actually not going to do it right now. But I would take transfer tape, put that on. I would use this little squeegee type situation. Make sure to get it like all on there. And then you take the transfer tape and then you would line it up and put it on here. But I have to like wash the surface and then figure out what I'm gonna do. Like if I'm gonna do one on one side, I think if I do one on one side and one on the other, it's gonna be too small. I think if I wanted to do that, I should have sized it bigger. I thought it was gonna work, but then now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, that's not gonna work. So anyway, maybe on the other side I could put her name or something. So I go make some more vinyl creations, and I need to charge this battery because it was like running low. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I will come back and show you guys when I get all of these done. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous. I'm like, what if I screw this up? I don't know what to do. So just trying new things is, you know, it's fun, but it's kind of terrifying. So. Okay guys, it's been a little while. I was letting my battery charge, but I've been working. So this is for my mom. It's slightly crooked, but it's gonna be fine. I'm very stressed about it, but it's gonna be fine. This one is for my dad, and it did kind of like curve a little bit, but it actually looks kind of like it was supposed to do that, so we're gonna go with that. But the one I did for my grandma actually turned out really well. Like I think just like these mugs are a lot easier than like this or this, because these are way more rounded. And so this I think looks really, really good. I mean, the other ones do too, but I haven't done the one for my sister or her husband yet. This is what I've gotten done. I'm going to save the others for tomorrow because I'm just getting slightly like frustrated with it, which there's no reason to be frustrated with it, but I'm just getting like over it, you know? It is currently 5 o'clock. We have to go to Lowe's to get some soil to hopefully save my lemon balm plant. I'm very, very, very upset about it. And these plants are only supposed to last like 6 months. I mean, and I've had mine for like 18, but I'm still really sad about it. I honestly could cry over this plant. It's so dumb. Anyway, so we're gonna try to repot it as our last ditch effort to save the poor thing. And then I think we're gonna go give James's parents their gifts. And then we'll come back and I'll try to work on some stuff, and James will try to work on some stuff. And yeah, I'm so bummed about this plant, you guys. I know that is so dumb, but I'm just like, I'm so sad. Like, no joke, you guys, in the past 18 months, I have taken it on vacation with me. I have taken it back and forth to Tennessee with me. I have left it with James's parents for them to babysit the thing, like when I was out of town. Like, I bought it James bought it a grow light last year to keep it alive during the winter. We bought a new grow light this year. Like this, why? Why am I like this with my plant? I don't know. Sad. Okay, we've got to go get new soil. We've got to try our last ditch effort to save him. I don't think we're going to save him. I'm just so sad. I can't even talk about it. This is so ridiculous. But anyway, so we're going to go do all of that, and I'll show you guys when we're done. Send positive vibes for Larry the lemon balm because he needs it. He's not well. Okay, guys, we just got back from James's parents' house. Dixie's really happy to see us. Hey, don't walk on all that. I wanted to real quickly share with you guys what I got for Christmas from them. I'm so excited. I have had this sign in my Amazon cart for over a year, because when we were buying this house, I was like, I want that for my coffee area, and I have never purchased it, but I've had it in my cart for so long. So I'm so excited to put that up after Christmas. Obviously, got Christmas decor going on, so I don't want to mess with that. This one thinks it's Advent time, which it is, but hang on. Then they got me this book all about The Office. You guys know we love The Office. And then they got me this little, it's kind of like a little Lego thing, I think, and it's a shark because I love sharks. So yeah, that is just like some fun gifts. I'm so excited, and yeah, but now we need to go take care of Advent time. Don't mind the wrapping paper. We did our 12-day with my family, and we just haven't cleaned up. But anyway, we got to go get her treat.
It's Advent time. I don't know how this song goes, but hang on, I have to get to the part that I remember. And there won't be Advents in Africa this Christmas.
Nice. You know where there won't be any snow?
Yeah, I know.
Also, update, we did try to save my lemon balm, and it's possible that he'll be okay. He looks terrible right now, but we cut off all the dead part. We actually took him out, put in new soil. He's
all the old soil.
Yeah, we completely cleaned him up. I'm really hoping that he survives. He, like I said, he looks rough right now, but there was still new growth going on, and I think he'll be okay. Hashtag pray for Larry the lemon balm. Anyway, okay, we really need to do Advent time because Dixie's freaking out. So 20. Whoa, a white one. It's coming. She's finally. All right.
Matcha.
Matcha time, matcha time, matcha time. Be the candy cane.
Berries and cream.
Well, it still sounds really good, but candy cane's probably going to be the last one, for real. All right.
Alticio.
Didn't you already have that one?
I don't know.
I think so. I don't know. Anyway.
All right, office character.
I'm going to go with Ryan.
Because I also go with
don't
Ryan.
think it's going to be Creed. Although, if we say it's Ryan after Kelly, I feel like that's too predictable.
I'm still going Ryan.
But I feel like it is going to be Ryan. But watch it be Creed. Because I didn't say Creed tonight. Watch it be Creed. Oh, man. I think it is supposed to be
Ryan, yep. With the blonde hair and the hipster glasses. Let me see.
Yeah, because he's got his little Blackberry.
Yep.
I just wasn't expecting him to have his blonde hair.
The blonde hair, yes. Expect him to have the normal.
But I definitely think tomorrow is Creed.
That's funny.
Okay, question of the day. Are you an animal person? Do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? Are you team cat, team dog, team cat dog? Let me know in the comments below.
Cat dog.
So obviously we are dog people, but I have had cats growing up on a farm. I had cats, and James had cats. I don't have any issues with cats, but I don't necessarily want a cat either, I don't like the fact that they jump on counters. That really freaks me out. I wouldn't want them to just come into my kitchen and jump on the counter.
Yeah,
so
do that.
I know you can train your cat not to do that, but I also know people don't, and it just always creeps me out. So I probably wouldn't want a cat. I love all animals, but dogs are probably my favorite. So, not probably. My dog is my favorite. I love her. So, there's that. Anyway, we're going to wrap up this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Catch you on the flippity flop.